Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn how to make an I-cord. So for that, first make your slip knot and then you are going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. So after chaining 3, we are going to go in the second chain and we are going to pull up a loop. Now there are 2 loops on our hook, so we are going to go in the third chain now, and again we are going to pull up a loop. And here we have 3 loops on our chain. To start the I-cord, this is our foundation, and the first step is now that we are going to take off these 2 loops, but you have to hold them tightly so that you don't lose them. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to yarn over and make our chain. Okay, now we are going to take the second loop, we are going to yarn over and chain again, then we are going to take the third loop and yarn over and here. Now as you can see, we again have 3 loops on our hook, so we are going to repeat the same step. We are going to take off 2 loops, but still you have to make sure that you don't lose them, so grab them tightly and then yarn over, pull up a loop. Now go through the second loop, again do the same step, yarn over and pull up the loop, and then grab the third loop over here, and then we are going to yarn over and pull up the loop. Now again we have 3 loops on our hook, so we are going to take off the 2, yarn over, go through the first one, grab the second one, yarn over, go through the second one, grab the third one, yarn over and go through the third one. Our cord is taking shape now, so we are going to keep on doing this. Now take off 2 loops, then yarn over, go through the first loop, grab the second loop now, yarn over, go through the second loop, then grab the third loop, yarn over and go through the third loop. And this is the step that you are going to be repeating over and over again till you acquire the required length. Okay, now so I'm going to go and give it a little bit of more length, and after that I'm going to tell you how you are going to finish it off. Okay, so now I have given it a little bit of more length, and to finish it off, what we are going to do is that we are going to yarn over and go through all 3 of these loops over here like this, and after that you are going to yarn over and go through this loop again, and from here you are going to cut your yarn and pull out this end, and your cord is ready to be used. I hope you like this tutorial. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.